Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the battery on your August lock. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have an August lock. And let's say you got a notification on your phone that indicates to change the battery. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that you want to go ahead and pop open the August lock. And in order to do that, you're going to go ahead and push down on where the circle is. So you see this indented circle, you're going to go ahead and press that and then pop it up. And then now you can see that the batteries are exposed. And so in order to pull out the batteries, all you've got to do is pull it out just like this. And each side takes two AA batteries, right? So two AA batteries, and they all go in the same way. So basically just take out the batteries and then there you have it. So once you place the batteries in, you are going to see a green light indicator that shows you that the batteries are charging. And so just go ahead and place the cap back on. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change the batteries on your August lock. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.